Hello everyone. Today we are going to make fish pakoras. So we are going to prepare the mixture for fish pakoras, right? Oh, hang on. You can also refer to my Bayngun pakora, the Brinjal or eggplant pakoras, and the chicken pakoras recipe for a background. Easily findable on. As you must have seen the ingredients pictures, you're going to use equal amount of both corn flour and the chickpea flour. It is called besan in Urdu. And then you add seasonings as per your taste. It can be just simple salt and pepper, or it can be the typical Asian turmeric and red chilies, and you can also use ginger and garlic, and plus you can use the herbs like mint and coriander and methi. Yeah, so let's get started. The quantity is going to be according to the fish, so decide on how much fish to dip, and then use your assumption to make the batter. Okay, and then you add some water to turn it into a batter. Batter is now ready to dip the fish pieces. So for the fish pakoras, we are going to use the basa fillets. That's what we usually bring home. We bring both basa fillets and the crumbed fish. And we also bring in tuna, and we also get hold of these salmon chunks, small chunks. In over here it says garlic, teriyaki and garlic. There are lots of flavors in both tuna as well as the salmon available in the store, whether you go to Aldi or you go to Woolworths or Coles. Just pick what you want and try out the fish pakoras. And these fillets are frozen, so we are going to defreeze them in the microwave, and then we are going to cut them. You can either use the pair of scissors to cut them, or you can use a sharp knife. So as you cut the fish fillets into chunks for fish pakora, just make sure that you coat them evenly in the batter and leave it for an hour. After an hour, you just need to fry them, or whenever you want to have fish pakora as a snack, with tea, with a meal, as an accompaniment. Just fry it and serve it hot. Okay, so if you remember, we marinated fish in two types of flours, chickpea flour and corn flour, with seasonings and some herbs like turmeric and cumin seeds. And we dipped fish in the batter, and it's okay to dip it for an hour, but if you are in rush, you can also dip it for half an hour, because fish is the most easily penetrated item as compared to other meat groups like mutton or beef, etc. So yeah, and now we are going to fry it. So I'm just going to pull off the cover. Yeah. And we are going to start. Okay, so this is the wok I'm going to use for making fish pakoras. So you can use whatever frying item you have. And I am using olive oil, and you can use whatever oil you are used to. So we are making fish pakoras. We are just going to fry the battered fish pakoras. And my brother is cooking tuna in the next on the next burner. Yep, you can see that. These are the tuna chunks in spring water, and he's buttering them with seasonings to make them delicious. Okay, so now we are just putting in the battered basa chunks into the wok to fry them. These are the basa pakoras. Yeah. So how are the fish pakoras coming out? Oh, they're coming out pretty good. Okay, so you just turn them and golden brown them and then drain them in the kitchen paper towel. Yep. And keep them warm till you are ready to serve. Okay? What else is cooking today? This is shaljam ki bhujia in Urdu and turnips bhujia in English. Yep, you can refer to my recipe on YouTube. And this is the carrot halwa, gajar ka halwa. Carrot is English and gajar is Urdu word. So again, refer to my recipe on YouTube, please. Thank you. Oh, so the fish pakoras are done. Yes. Well, there you go. Delicious sundae. And you can serve them hot with burgers and wraps with salad, or with simple tomato ketchup, sweet chili, green chutney, mint, and you must see my recipe for the green chutney with chicken pakoras. Yeah, so you simply blend in the mint, coriander, green chili or pepper, and spring onions, and make a paste. Yep. You can dilute it with a little bit of water, or you can add yogurt like I did for chicken pakoras. So there you go. Enjoy. And this is tuna. This is basa fish pakora.